Get ready for the most anticipated event of the summer, Samsung's Unpacked. The rumors are swirling and the leaks are coming in hot. We're just weeks away from the official reveal of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. Prototype photos have surfaced, giving us a sneak peek at the design changes that are coming our way. The display looks more pronounced, the corners are more angular, and the device is slightly shorter and wider than its predecessor. The triple camera setup and fingerprint reader are also getting an upgrade. But that's not all. The leak photos reveal a black prototype variant with a stamped Samsung logo on the hinges, hinting at a potential logo redesign. And let's not forget the possible flare in the hinge protection plate, a small detail that could make a big difference in the overall design. The Z Flip 6 is also getting some design improvements, with a smaller bezel around the internal display and a more refined overall footprint. Samsung is pulling out all the stops to make these devices truly special. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is taking things to the next level with its upgraded features. Not only does it have improved battery life, but it's also thinner and lighter than its predecessor, making it even more portable. The wider display and shorter design make it a game-changer for those who want a bigger screen without the bulk. And for all you slow-motion video enthusiasts out there, you'll love the 4K 120 frames per second video recording capabilities. But that's not all. The Z Fold 6 is also rumored to have a titanium frame, just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means it's not only strong and durable but also looks and feels premium. However, with great power comes great cost. Samsung is reportedly increasing the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 by $100 in the US. This might make it a tough sell for those who already own the Fold 5. But that's not all. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is also thinner and lighter than its predecessor, making it the perfect choice for those who want a more portable device without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a social media influencer, or simply someone who wants the latest and greatest, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the perfect choice. Upgrade your mobile experience with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and discover a new world of possibilities. With its cutting-edge features, sleek design, and unparalleled performance, this device is sure to impress even the most discerning smartphone users. So why wait? Get ready to fold into the future with the Galaxy Z Fold.